Okay, so good morning, all of you. Welcome back to DevOps sessions. Okay, so I'm going to start Terraform with Jenkins. Okay, Terraform with Jenkins. Before that, try to understand what is a Jenkins server, how it will work, what are the configurations required in the Jenkins. Maybe today it's difficult to complete with Terraform. Just today we can understand Jenkins very high level, how to write Groovy script, okay, how to write declaration pipeline. Just I will give you a little, idea on that. Very easy, guys. Okay. So about Jenkins, we can discuss some other day, the Jenkins and very high level what it is. Just I'm going to give you CI/CD. What is this, guys? Continuous integration or continuous deployment. Whatever continuous integration. What is continuous integration, continuous delivery? What is the difference? Hmm? Okay. Integration is nothing but, guys, just you can integrate your system. Okay. Whenever some upstream job done, upstream process done, you have to integrate with your downstream. Understand? Yeah. So whenever, for example, developers completed their activity, okay, completed their activity means if they are developed some code, our system has to capture that code. Our system has to track the changes. That is integration. Always. The changes, if you are going to deploy, that is called deployment. If you are not deploy at this time, just you are integrate your system and release somewhere, not deploy it this time. You can deploy it later. That is continuous delivery. Release means just delivery, but you are not going to deploy it this time. We can deploy later. But continuous integration, continuous deployment means whenever changes will come, immediately you are going to deployment. That is continuous integration, continuous deployment. Is this clear, the difference? Yeah. So guys, in market, we have a multiple tools in CI/CD. Okay. Bamboo and so many tools are there, but we are going to learn Jenkins only. We're going to learn Jenkins. The reason is 90% projects, they're off Jenkins. They're working with Jenkins only. Okay. That's what my preference is, Jenkins. Oh, sorry, yaar. My screen. It's my bad. Hmm. So, yeah. Okay. So Jenkins. So Jenkins is a CA tool actually. Before it is started as a CA tool. Later it is developed as a CD also. Now Jenkins, I can say CA CD tool, not only CD tool. Chart to everyone. Yeah. Clear, guys? Clear? Okay. Who developed Jenkins? Anyone knows? Huh? Modina. Huh? What? Already chat everyone here. No messages. That's what you are not seeing anything. Hi. Able to see? Jai Jagana. Jagana. Hmm. Who is this guy? I think already you have seen this face, right? Not Jagan face. This face. Hmm? Anyway, this is just, Jenkins is an open source automation server. It helps to automate something. That's a different story. Yeah. Yes, come guys. Guys, not Jagana, please. Actually, in 2005, it's a Jenkins journey started in 2005. There is a Sun Systems related one project. Okay. They have developed Jenkins CI/CD approach. Jenkins CI/CD approach. In 2005, the journey is began. Okay, it is uh, actually in the regular practice in 2005 in the Sun system. Okay, in the Sun system, in the regular practice, they have implemented for that project only this Jenkins process. Okay, so but later this process is very useful for all projects. Okay, later they use for all projects. So and from Sun systems, Oracle Oracle is taken the license from Sun system. Okay, and they have released for open source tool. They have released for open source tool. Now Jenkins is free. Now Jenkins is free. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. Kawaguchi, I think. So is the guy developer Jenkins? Okay. Kushake Kawaguchi. This guy is developer Jenkins in his system, in his project. Please come. The project is called Sun Systems. Okay, Kushake Kawaguchi is developed by Jenkins project in his project. So later is taken the license and all from the this Jenkins system, this Sun system to Oracle. Now Oracle is released to open source tool. Yeah. So here, the main important thing is Jenkins, the backend. Hmm. Java language. So Jenkins will developed by Java language. So definitely, if you want to run your Jenkins, we need Java. Clear or not? Yeah. So guys, very short, Jenkins is an open source tool. We can automate our software deployment process. Okay. by using Jenkins. Okay. So just we can discuss on installation process. In detail, in detail, we can discuss Jenkins later. This is for just Terraform only. In detail, we can discuss. Let's come to my GitHub repository, guys, to installations process. So definitely, guys, and a very important thing here, I'm going to add here. To work with Jenkins, so we need prerequisites for your server. T2 medium is required, guys, not T2 micro. Okay. T2 micro will not support. This is very important point. Means minimum 2 GB RAM, 2 CPUs are required. And Jenkins by default port is 8080. Jenkins by default port is 8080. Yeah. So now I will send notes, guys. Don't worry. Okay. Now let me go to my instance. Let me go to my instance. I'm going to launch one instance here from the scratch. So you just understand this is Jenkins. Guys, Jenkins is nothing but whatever task you are doing manually, it is going to take care. There is no separate Jenkins will come and do your job. Your task you are defined in your shell script we have, right? Whatever commands you can define into the file, it will run execute one by one, one by one, one by one. No one will come and execute, right? Same Jenkins also we are say to Jenkins, hey, these are my tasks, you can run it. That's it only. Okay. So I need AMI ID and a T2. At this time, I'm going to select a T2 medium. Key pair, I can use existing one here. Sorry. Dockers and DevOps. So I'll just keep as is here everything. So I'm going to deploy one instance. Yes, Thursday, Friday, I will not be available the next week. If you want to plan anything, you can plan. Okay. Huh? What? Sunday. Saturday always not there. Saturday only I'm going to take class. No one is going to take class in Naresh. So plan good place, okay? Message came. Monday, I mean coming Monday. No, we have a class. Monday we have a class, guys. Please. I'm going to start Monday, Maven. Okay, Maven. I'm going to start. It will complete in 2 days only. Maven. Nothing is. It's a developer tool. We are going to enter shortly Docker, guys. It's very important. I'm going to connect now. Okay. Sudo su hyphen. 29 dates, I don't know. 28, 29, 30, 31st. 31st is Sunday. In that case, holiday. 30 is Saturday, holiday. So Thursday, Friday will be not available. 4 days, yeah. Wednesday, we have a class. I will complete Maven and I will big task list to you. Be ready for 4 days. Huh? Terraform, Jenkins with Terraform, Jenkins with Maven. I will give 2, 3 projects, monolithic projects. You have to do practice. This Monday we have a class. Okay. Please focus here. Very important, guys. So let's come to my page here. You can search in Google, you can download also Jenkins. I don't have any problem. But version to version, maybe some differences will come. But my recommendation is to go with this. Yes, 9 a.m. I need to update some content. Today, I'll just update. Yesterday, a little busy with deliverables. So, okay. Okay, project Terraform DevOps tools, all installations, right? So if you can come here, install.sh, let me go and verify my Jenkins. This is the Jenkins installation process, right? Guys, Jenkins will work which language the backend? Java. For that, first I need to install Java. And very important point is here, Jenkins, whatever you are going to deploy, the best version is 11 or 17. Already Java version is there in my end. In every instance, that is 1.8. It will not support for multiple configurations. So you need to install from Java 11. Is this clear? Let's copy this one. JDK. Yeah. Run this one. Okay. Java JDK done. Now come and check this process, all installations. You can run all in one on time. It will start and it will enable and it will download everything. Now completed installation, it has to start now. It will take some time, 1 minute. If your Jenkins will not start means some issues there in your Java. Okay. How to check my status of Jenkins? Command system ctl status Jenkins. It's a active, right? Running. How to access this one? Jenkins servers, how to access now? Public IP and 8080 port number, right? Why? My Jenkins is running on port 80. Clear or not? At present, anyone working with Jenkins? No, na? Online team, I think. Okay. What is the error, guys? Yeah, maybe. My Jenkins. Open link. While creating them, if I declare no need to change here, right? But I have given default one. That's what it is not enable. I'm just, you can give only custom TCP, you can give 8080. Refresh. Okay, this is first Jenkins page. To unlock Jenkins, you have to go this path and take the password and enter here. Is this clear? Password is the default password, initial password is there. Which location, guys? Where lib Jenkins. This is default workspace of Jenkins. Understand two things here. Default workspace of Jenkins. Whenever you can create anything, it will come on just store here. Where lib Jenkins. Now under securities, under secrets, we have initial admin password. Understand? So now I need to see this password. Which command I need to run? Hmm? You are working, huh? Okay. Yeah, cat command. Guys, here two things we need to understand. Here Jenkins, I'm accessing public IP, right? So two things we can access by using private IP if you are set up with VPN connection of your organization. Or if you want to run public, for example, in Jenkins server, we should not run directly the public IP. We have to configure with load balancer. Understand? We are going to hit load balancer URL. Clear or not? Load balancer, we can give our target set point, target instance as a Jenkins server. Okay, we can give like that also. Yeah. Okay, my Jenkins is started and all and everything is good. So I'm just giving cat command to see that my password. Oh, what is the command, guys? Where lib Jenkins secrets. Let's go. Where lib Jenkins secrets are secrets. Anyway, we'll go on and copy that one. Secrets. Paste it before. Just give cat. Okay. So this is the password of admin password. Take this one. Continue now. So it will recommend it to change your username password. Okay. If you save means install suggestion plugins. So what is going on here? The backend, some default plugins is going to download. I mean, your Jenkins will go and talk to respective tools, right? For example, my Terraform is there. Jenkins has to come and configure Terraform to run Terraform commands. So Jenkins has to run Maven commands. It has to configure with Maven to run Maven commands. For that, plugins is required. So Jenkins, whatever the configurations, the backend, it will work based on the plugins. If Jenkins want to communicate with your Git, you have to install Git plugin like that. So these are the recommended plugins. What is going on the background? These are default plugins. Okay. Just now you have started Jenkins. Wait. Load and all. Okay. We have to set up a metric server to check by using top command. What is the Linux top command? It will show load of your server, right? Set up a metric server on Jenkins. We can see that load. Or you can configure with your server any CloudWatch monitoring setup or any monitoring tools. That's it. Sir, why in AWS we can do in Windows too? Sir, why in I mean, you're asking why can't we do it Windows? We can do it Windows also, but projects are all on Linux only, not in Windows. Windows is not recommended, guys. At this time, no one is going with Windows. It's a legacy applications. Old applications only Windows. See, we have already experienced, right? To running Terraform in Windows, to running Terraform in Linux, what is the difference? It's clearly. T2 medium is chargeable, right? Absolutely chargeable. So what you need to do once done practice, just delete it. So first time it is taking much time, and next time onwards, just you can log in username and password in the Jenkins only. So today we are going to discuss what is pipeline, how it will work on a very high level. Then we can, if we have a time, we can run Terraform also with the Jenkins. Okay. So this is very important. We have to give your username of your Jenkins and password and all. So next time onwards, whenever you can give your public IP and port number, you have to give your credentials, not for default one. Whatever we have pasted it, right? Not right. So you can give any name here. So password also you can give, but don't forget this password. Okay. There is a big process again. So just give your email ID, name and password and all. Save and continue. Never change. Save and finish. Your Jenkins is ready. Start using Jenkins. So I'm in the Jenkins page now. So this Jenkins running on which server? Same server. I'm accessing through UI only. Understand? It is not going to other server. Okay. So welcome to Jenkins. So here we have a options, new item, people, build history, manage Jenkins, my view and all. So yeah. What is the default space of Jenkins? Var lib Jenkins. Okay. Workspace. So guys, if I want to do any activities in my server, okay, I need to configure here in my Jenkins. For example, if I want to run my Terraform script, which is there in my same server, or different server also we can do it by connecting through public or SSH, whatever it is, the process. So here, if you can see, if I want to run my job, so before you need to understand what is your requirement. First of all, what is your requirement? With this Jenkins, what you need to do first. If you want to run any command, yes, you can run command in the Jenkins by using Jenkins. Run the commands, configurations, pipelines, and all. For example, before discussing all, just let's go for new item here. Okay, just go for new item. And okay, let's come on the dashboard. There is a manage Jenkins UI icon is there, right? Just click on that manage Jenkins. If you want to download any plugins, okay? For example, your Jenkins go and talk to Terraform. You need to install Terraform plugin. Your Jenkins has to clone the repository from the GitHub. We have to integrate, download GitHub plugin. Like that, we need to do it, right? So before doing this thing, I'll just come here. I'm trying first job I'm going to create now. So here we have a different styles of jobs. We have freestyle, pipeline, but we are always using that pipeline job all in the real time, not freestyle job. Freestyle job is for just understand. It's a manual process without any script. Is this clear till here? So you need to understand, guys. Always we are going to work with pipeline jobs in real time. Is this clear? Okay. Let's come to start first one pipeline job. Then we can discuss later freestyle job for better clarity. First pipeline. Just click on pipeline and OK. So here it's taking you into the direct pipeline editor, script editor. Okay, it's directly taking you to the script editor. So in the pipelines, in the Jenkins, we have a two type of pipelines, guys. We have a two type of pipelines here. One is scripted one, scripted pipeline, that is Groovy. And next one is declarative pipeline. And first one is freestyle. We need to work these three. Okay. So just come here. So I'm going to explain here. First, a declarative one. How to write a declarative pipeline job. Okay. How to write a declarative pipeline job. Yeah. So just come here. So I'm taking some syntax here. Hello world. There is a default pipeline. Okay. Hello world pipeline. So this is the basic syntax for to create a pipeline. So if I run this pipeline here, echo hello world, it will print. It will print into my where it will print. Where it will print. Okay, we can discuss later for that. Okay, if you can see in the pipeline job, pipeline declarative job, this is not Groovy scripted one. In this declarative one, first pipeline, it will start from pipeline and agent any. We'll discuss what is agent also. Stages. This 3 is the top level priority. And open the brace and close the brace here. Under stages, how many stages we have? Only one stage. This is the stage block. Clear? And the closed one too, here already open 2, right? This 2 is closed. So total we have 8 braces, 4 is open, 4 is closed. And 2 is for stage. One brace open for stage and close into the end. And inside stage, what action you need to do? That is comes under steps. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, let's go and run this pipeline. We'll see what happens. Okay, if I want to build that pipeline, I'm in the pipeline here. Whatever pipeline I have created, I'm in that same pipeline. Come and build now. So I just build my pipeline. It is going on. See, my pipeline got success. It will print into echo something, hello world. So now you can come and click on this right. We can see the console output. Okay, what it does, enter stage. So if you can see, guys, started by me running on Jenkins in, what is the path here? Where lib Jenkins workspace and your pipeline name. Understand? It's print what? Hello world. So let's go and verify now into my EC2 instance. What is the path? CD where here it will not create anything. Understand? There is a different file path for Jenkins. Everything will create there only. Understand? CD where lib Jenkins and give enter ls. What is inside? CD workspace. No workspace. Let's go and verify this. Where lib Jenkins workspace. Workspace. It has to give right. Spelling mistake, huh? Where it is? Anyway, let's take this one. Till workspace. Copy. Paste. Only where is there? ls cd lib ls. Here my Jenkins is there, right? Let's go to cd Jenkins ls. There is no workspace here, right? Okay, let go on the jobs first. Otherwise, ls. This is my first pipeline job, right? First pipeline job. ls cd first pipeline job ls. So this is the builds. We can go here ls. So one, if you can go like this, it will come cd1 ls. Okay, I'll do one thing here. So actually, I haven't created any file, right? That's what maybe. Okay, so what I can do now? Okay, let's come now here. I'll create one file. I'll just type print only, right? So there is no file here to print where it is. So they are saying the default running on this workspace, right? Okay, let's come now. I'll do one thing here. So here, two things we need to understand, guys. This is only, we are able to see one stage. Why? I have given only one stage in my pipeline. So if you can click here, here also we can see the print is hello world. Your result. Okay, your result is hello world. Now, if you can go on the configure again. Okay, you are in the same job. If you want to configure something, you just click on that. To build something, just click on that. Okay. If you want to rename, just click on that. To delete the job, click on that. Just go with the configure. This option will enable if you are in the pipeline only. Understand this one. Okay. I want to add one more stage. How to add? From where I need to copy? Clear? Control C. Stages. Stage. Clear? Clear? So here I'm just changing to my hello in place of first stage. Second stage. Okay. Hello world from stage 1. Hello world from stage 2. Is this clear? Hmm? If I run, how many stages will come? How to run? Build now. First stage, second stage. So now you can verify this is for hello world from stage 1. This is hello world from stage 2. Is this clear? Just I'm printing here. If I going to add here, again configure. If I want to add one more stage, control V. Is it clear? Now I'm going to create a one file here. So you have to give sh and give in quotes touch file one. I'm going to create file one command. So enter command you have to give in the sh touch file one. If I run, we'll get an error. Stage name is same here and here. So we need to change it. File stage something. Okay. Otherwise, it will run the both are same, right? Which one it will work? So it will get an error. So this is one more stage, right? Total how many stages, guys? 3 stages. Apply and save. I'm typing. So what I need to do? Build now. Now third stage also has to update, that is file stage, right? See updated, right? Let's go and verify this one first. Touch file one is created, right? So I want to check the logs. Where should I go? You just click on this right. Console output will open. We can check everything. Stage one is what, guys? Hello from stage one is created something. Here if you can see plus touch file one is created. File one is created. So my file one created in where? Just go for workspaces. This is my workspace, right? We'll see now it will update or not. Shell script only. Okay. SH means shell command I'm going to give. Now we can see that anything is there. So first one is what? Where, right? CD where, CD lib, CD Jenkins, ls. See, workspace is there, right? See, I have created something, right? File, that's what workspace is update. Is this clear? Now ls, where should I go? My job, right? If you can come here, see, this is the path, right? Built in the first pipeline. Workspace means your job name. Workspace, inside workspace, all jobs is going to create. For example, in interviews, you have a 5 jobs where it is going to store where lib Jenkins workspace. Yeah. Now, if you can go and give ls, yes, my first pipeline is there. Just this is my pipeline job, right? Go inside and give ls. File 1 is there. See, I have created, right? File 1 is there. Your student? Student? DevOps. Okay. Online student, huh? Sorry. Okay. When did you join? Huh? 4 days. This is not demo. No, this is not 10:30 batch. Time is 9:50. ఓకే కూర్చో బట్ 10:30 బ్యాచ్ ఇది కాదు ఓకేనా మరి ఇది అర్థం కాదు ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్ గైస్ ఎనీవే సో మై జెంకిన్స్ పైప్లైన్ ఈస్ I have created one file. It is stored in where, guys? My var lib Jenkins workspace first pipeline, right? So if you can go and verify my file is created by Jenkins. Now you need to understand Jenkins is creating in the server whatever you are going to run. For example, I want to create a directory. You can create or Jenkins will create. I mean, indirectly Jenkins are going to access everything inside, right? Now, if I want to run one project, I need to pull the repo from the git clone. Now you can hand out the task to Jenkins. Hey, first you clone the repo and run this command and delete this command. You can give instructions all to Jenkins. That's it. There is no difference Jenkins it is. Okay. In that case, guys, just understand. I want to run my Terraform script. How to do it? With this, and just understand it. I know this is very advanced question. Just you can come here in the first pipeline, go to configure. I want to run my Terraform. How to do it? First, you know what you need to do first. If you want to run Terraform script, okay, you have to write somewhere first. Okay, you have to run somewhere first. You have a Terraform code in your GitHub. Okay, GitHub Terraform code. Is this clear, guys? Now you need to run this Terraform in your server to deploy something. First, what you need one EC2 instance, right? To deploy it or your laptop. But we cannot do it by your laptop to access your Jenkins and all, right? Anyway, in the real time, we need one EC2 instance. What you need here? Tell me step by step process. Manual process, leave it for Jenkins. Entire leave it for Jenkins. Only manual process. Created one EC2 instance. Step 1 is done for, guys, step 1 is done for creation of EC2. Creation of EC2. What is the step 2? Huh? Very good. Install Git. What is the next step? Install Terraform also, right? To run Terraform code. This 2 is done. What is the next step? Major step. Step 2 is what? Git clone. Clear or not? What is the step 3? Run Terraform code only, right? What is the command? Terraform init first, and next is plan and apply. Is this clear, everyone? This is manual steps. Now, what I need to do from the, if you want to do the same process in CI process, I mean, Jenkins process, I need to say to Jenkins, right? You need to run like this way, one by one, one by one, one by one. In this case, I need to define in my stages. First stage has to clone. Second stage has to run your Terraform code. That's it only, right? Understand what I'm trying to say here? Okay. Just understand one more thing here. Very important one is, very good, Arun Kumar Reddy. So here, very important one is, for example, guys, you're not installing Terraform, for example. You have installed only Git. Now you just configure this pipeline with the Jenkins, run the Terraform. Does Jenkins will create, run the Terraform? No, it will try to run those commands in this EC2 instance. See guys, this server only Jenkins there, right? You are configuring Terraform files also same server. So Jenkins is come and run these instructions. At that time, there is no Terraform. Terraform command not formed error will get. Why? Manual. In the local, there is no Terraform. Otherwise, you have to inform to Jenkins, you just install Terraform also first. But installation is not a correct process by using Jenkins. It's a one-time job, right? Every time run means every time it is going to install, right? It is not correct. Installations you have to take care, not in Jenkins. Understand what I'm trying to say? If you pipeline rerun means every time it is going to install your Terraform and Git and all. That is not good, right? Installation is a one-time job. Then how I can install? No. I need Git in this server. I need Git, I need Terraform. Once you done this task, next Jenkins will come into the picture. Jenkins will trigger your job. So I need to automate this enter process. How can I do it? Just understand it. Huh? Guys, pipeline run means first Jenkins need to install, right? Pipeline will not come directly by walk without Jenkins, right? So what I need to do? Nothing is there in my local laptop. I need to automate this task. Just understand it with your knowledge. What I can do it. Very good. By using user data. First of all, you need to create instance by using Terraform. Agreed? Whatever server I'm going to deploy now manual process, what you need to do? You need to deploy this server by using Terraform. In this server, what are the things are you required? Jenkins, Terraform, Git. You just give this three into your shell script by using shebang line. You can call into user data EC2. Whenever you run Terraform, instance will create, insert these all installations also done, right? Understand what I'm trying to say? So now your instance is there, your Jenkins is there, your Git is there, your Terraform is there. Take the public IP and log in your Jenkins, start your pipeline. Clear? Very good. So now, anyway, I have already created my EC2 instance. Now what I need to do first? Now what I need to do first? Tell me guys. So my end instance is ready, Jenkins is ready. Just understand. I'm going to run Terraform script now by using Jenkins. We know how to run pipeline, right? We know how to make it stages, right? Clear till here? How to do it? Very good. First, I need to install what? Git in my server. This is fresh instance, right? So I'm install git -y, right? So after that, I need to install what? Terraform. Understand? Run the Terraform. If there is no Terraform, your Jenkins will not run the pipeline. It will say there is no Terraform command error. Terraform also done, right? So you can verify first before that Terraform -- version. My Terraform is there. My Git also there. Everything is there. Jenkins also there. Now Go to your Jenkins. Okay. You can run the command in one more stage also. What is that stage? You can check here. Terraform version also, right? Right or not? Terraform -hyphen version. Just I'm doing same task by using Jenkins only. Don't confuse whatever manual process we are doing. Same process I'm saying to Jenkins, hey, you can do behalf of me. That's it only. But is there any relations for these pipelines? Is there any relation first? No, this is not a good pipeline. But we are focusing on pipeline steps, how to write, that's it only. But here, what you need to orchestrate the pipeline in well. Definitely, the second stage depends on the first stage. You have to create like that. Understand? For example, you have a stages one. Okay, let me write this one, then we can understand. Apply and save. Bill now. Now, how many stages will come? 4 stages, right? Error. Duplicate stage name. Understand? Yeah. Go to configure. Where is my configure? Click on my pipeline. Go to configure. What is the error, guys? I need to change at least this one into version stage. Okay. Apply, save, and build it now. Done, right? You just check here. My version is 1.7.5. So Jenkins is giving to you. If there is no Terraform in your end, will it read this version? There is no Terraform. Terraform command not found error will get in your end. Understand? Okay. Now I want to change it into. I want to change it into some real case now. Okay. For example, here, if you want to add any syntax, scripted syntax here, we have a pipeline syntax. You just go there and you can generate any script for that, your script. So for example, guys, stages, the first stage I'm going to implement here, git clone. Is this clear? What I'm trying to say? Git clone. I need first clone the repository from your GitHub and run my Terraform scripts. So after cloning, this stage will come what? Guess. Init Terraform initialization, right? So what is the command here? sh Terraform init. What is this step? Plan actually not required, right? If you want to check here, we can apply plan. But if you run pipeline from any other way, so we are not going to check every time plan. Okay, this is a correct process, but Terraform plan. Okay. What is this stage? Clear now? I mean, first stage, it will clone from Git. Second, it will run on your Terraform on that cloud. Is this clear? Okay. Now, so git clone means I need to place here my git URL. Clear or not? So for that, you just go to any Terraform Terraform CI/CD, something inside anything is there. Main.tf. Okay, I'm going to run this one. See, for understanding only, right? Whatever script inside, you can run it. So for that, I'm going to deploy Terraform CI/CD means I need to give this URL, right? HTTPS. If it is SSH means you need to give your SSH configuration for Jenkins that we can discuss later. Just try to understand very high level what is Jenkins. That's what Terraform, you know, right? That's what I'm taking an example for Terraform. So you can start for your resume, Jenkins, Terraform, and AWS, right? So guys, here I can directly give my HTTPS and I can run sh git clone like this, right? Clear or not? See, sh terraform init. Now, what is the command to run this? Git clone, right? Git clone we are giving in the sh. So instead of giving, we can give in the best approach. Click pipeline syntax. This is public, that's what I'm giving, but it's a private repository. We should not give directly here. So go for pipeline syntax. I'm saying, see, step one is what? Pipeline syntax. Go inside. Simple sample step, select here, Git. Select here, Git, and give your URL. Clear? And give your branch. It has to pull from some branch, right? What is my branch, main? Don't forget to change this one. Main. See, credentials. There is no any credentials block, right? So in Jenkins, there is a credential block separate. We have to first declare there. Then we are able to see here. So what is the credentials? Git credentials. Your username, password, you have to give there. It will call from here. But this time is not required. Why? This is public repository. Mine is public repository and there is no credentials required. If it is a private, definitely you have to pass credentials. Is this clear, everyone? Now generate a pipeline script. First one is what? Selected Git and given your URL and selected main and just generate pipeline script. This is the script. Take it from here. Come here. Just paste it here. No need to give any SH and all. Okay. So my first stage is what? To clone my repository. My second stage is what? To initialize the repository. Third stage is what? Plan command. Fourth stage is what? Apply command. So definitely we will get so many challenges now. Why? Let me deploy first. Build now. First stage is what? Cloning done, right? Next, init is done, right? Now plan is fail. I don't know. The first step is what? Just click on here. My cloning done or not? See, verify Git version. After that, my config remote and something all. It's a clone from this repository, right? HTTPS GitHub I have given. If you want to check this one, where should I check this one? This cloned one. I mean this server, right? Same server, right? So yeah. Anything is there? If you can give git clone, it will be here, right? But it is not there. Why? Jenkins, whatever activities it's going to do, it is everything is going to store where? Jenkins workspace. It will run from there only Terraform. There is no problem, right? Yeah. Understand? Yeah. So let's come now. We'll see the error. What is the error? We can see that. No easy to tell me guys, what is the error? Is really required to configure credentials for your EC2 user credentials? We are in EC2 instance, not in your laptop, right? If your local laptop, what you can do? You have to configure access key, secret key, give that user for what services you are going to give that permissions. For example, if Terraform is going to create S3 bucket, first of all, user should have S3 bucket access. Then only your Terraform will create. But now I'm running this script in instance, AWS console now, inside AWS, not outside, right? The what is the option will come here? I told you one class clearly, right? If you are run in the AWS console, IAM user is required. Then in that case, what we can use? Instead of IAM user, what? Jenkins will go and open your username, password, and run console access. Tell me, what is that? Without access secret key. Without access key secret, can I give permission to run? Very good. IAM role. You remember or not? At that time, already I shown you that one lab in detail. If you am running the same commands in AWS instance, I'm able to copy my S3 bucket. I'm able to run my folder something AWS S3 LS. Why? My instance having role permissions. That's what it is going to do that. But if it is not in cloud, outside of the cloud, we don't have role attachment to your laptop. Hey, what's going on? Playing with the keyboard, huh? Okay, I can understand. We can write. Yeah. Same problem for me also sometimes. Okay, go to logs. See, fail to refresh cache credentials, something there is no access for that, right? So what I can do, my EC2 instance first, I need to create a. See, these are the challenges, guys. That's what IAM will learn. Why you forget those things? How to create role? Tell me now. What I need to select? Why? My Terraform is running in EC2 only. Select next. What permission I can give? At this time, EC2 is going to get EC2 full permissions. If it is S3, S3 permission. Better to give administrator access for your practice, but don't give in real-time administrator access. If you're running EC2, you can give only EC2 permissions. If you give administration permission, what happened? How did we discuss it? Your team lead will terminate first. Okay. If you have any something is there on him, request for credentials and give administration access and delete something. Huh? Okay. Administrator access. What I need to give here? My role name, right? You can give any role name, EC2 admin. Next, what I can do? Already exists now. Okay, my role is created with permission of administrator access. What I need to do next? Huh? What I need to do? My role is written next. What I need to do? I need to attach to my EC2 instance. Then only this role will apply. In that case, creation of role is not giving permission. Attach that role only, that guy can access, right? Creation of user only, not only give permission. User has to log in like that, right? So now I'll just go to my EC2 instance. Tomorrow also I'm going to work Jenkins only. Okay. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow also Jenkins. I will show you what are the options are there in the Jenkins. Okay. Sorry. This one only, right? Go to actions. Where should I go? Where should I go? IAM is the which type of service it is? Huh? IAM is the which type of service? Security service or not? Security service. Then where should I check here? Security only. Modify IAM role. No IAM role means not required. You should admin Jenkins, right? Update IAM role. Clear? Now rerun your job. This is not Jenkins error. Understand, guys? You have to see like that. If you can Jenkins error, you are always checking here only. Understand the error. It's not a Jenkins error. If any error is coming means Jenkins will not create error. Something you are lag in your EC2 instance. Something you need to update in your EC2 instance. Understand? Bill now. Planned and write. Let's go to my plan. See, this is my plan. One to add. See, this is my T2 medium instance. Oh my God. My AMI ID and all. Please fail. Nah? Now verify again. Hmm. Understand? Who will give S if I give Terraform apply? Jenkins will not give. It is not a robo, right? My user forget to give apply, so I can give. It is not like that, guys. What I can do here? What is the command? Auto approve. Is this clear? Apply and save. Bill now. So today's your work is today and tomorrow your work. Tomorrow there is no class, right? Your work is to deploy your Terraform scripts by using Jenkins. So guys, okay, I will ask in the class. So it is going on, right? If you want to check, just go here and click on here. Everything we can see here. What's next, and everything. Same like your UI, your VS Code UI, right? There is no difference. And we'll discuss now Groovy script also how to write. Okay. Finish it, right? One resource added, it's a success. So let's go on check my EC2 instance in North Virginia region, I think so. Otherwise, let's go and verify my main.tf. My main.tf is what? US East 1, right? Then I will go and check my US East 1. My instance is there or not now. It's a created, right? T2 medium. Now how to destroy this one? That's it only. Go to your pipeline, configure, just give your destroy. Okay. Now what I need to do? Build. So instead of changes in your script, I can handle here parameter also. I can create parameter, whether you can give apply, whether you can give destroy. Let's focus that also now. Actually, we need to install plugin for Terraform also. Okay, but it is working means I think new version maybe they have given Terraform included something. If it is not working means you need to install plugin. How to install plugin? Just to go to, let me finish this one. Okay, it is going on anyway. Go to dashboard. Any blog required for this? Blogs required? Required? Step by step? I know guys, that's what I have already prepared. Okay, this is the process, just you follow. Jenkins configure an EC2. First, we need to create EC2 instance, 2 CPU, 2 GB RAM, and T2 medium. And what you need to install. See, for first create IAM role and give required permission. If you create S3 bucket, give S3 permission to EC2 role. And see what I did here. I ran all commands in bash script one time manually. First complete task manually, then go with Terraform. Okay, you don't know where mistake you are doing. If you are going with Terraform always, your focus is my Terraform is giving error. No. First complete manual process, create EC2 instance and run this bash script or one by one individual one, whatever you can run it. And after that, if you want to run individually, you can run these commands. And after that, simply unlock the Jenkins. So example like this way, you just go there and give the cat and take the password and install suggestions plugins and it will install it. Then you can give your username and password, and then you can go inside the job and manage Jenkins. If you want to download any plugins, go with manage Jenkins. So Terraform, we need to install it. And after that, create your first job. So go to your pipeline script, give your pipeline like this way. Hello world will be there, right? From that, you can modify it. So after that, build it. Clear? I will share this one. Same like I will try to give all pipelines also. This is very basic pipeline, guys. We need to work with Maven, Docker, Kubernetes, Grafana, and Ansible and all. So many things are there. Okay. Share it in Google. Okay. Okay, let's go and verify now my dashboard. So this is my pipeline. Already done, right? So let's go and check my logs. So destroy auto approve is done. Destroyed one service. Resource is destroyed. Is this clear? See how easy it is for understanding why you have a good knowledge in Terraform process. That's what you are able to understand. If I explain Maven process now, you don't know Maven, may you feel like Jenkins is difficult. Jenkins is not at all difficult. Understand? You remember or not, guys? Today, one topic I have discussed to my your seniors team. I mean, 7:30 a.m. batch. Yeah, this one. This is completely depends on your complete Kubernetes depends on your AWS auto scaling and load balancer concept. Okay, I have spent 7 days on the topics. The reason is if you know that process, today we are at day 7 Kubernetes. They can easily understand, they can easily complete the task. Kubernetes is not easy tool. It's a difficult task, difficult tool compared to all. But from my end, my team and it's very easy to compare it all. The reason is they know AWS, they know auto scaling, they know load balancer concept. Without load balancer, without EC2 instance, without auto scaling load, this Kubernetes is very difficult. But we are in day 5. Even I haven't shared any my GitHub repository, but they are complete all the tasks. The reason is they can easily understand the concept in AWS, interlink with this Kubernetes. Understand? Same thing. If you know good knowledge on Terraform, how to run, what is the Terraform errors and all. See, the reason why I'm saying here, I got an error here. Student will think, if you don't know knowledge on IAM, this error is there in Jenkins. That is a problem here. Okay. And auto approve. If you don't know, yes, we need to give. How we can give yes from using Jenkins? Again, they can think. So first whatever, if you are going with the Terraform, first you should strong in Terraform. If you are learning Kubernetes, first you should strong in AWS. Okay, your prerequisite you have to fulfill first. Otherwise, you guys are keep on thinking Jenkins is difficult. Kubernetes is difficult. No, those are not difficult. Those are orchestration tools. Jenkins is orchestration tool to your Terraform process. Same in Kubernetes also, orchestration process of your job. Very easy, guys, if you are understand. But you can go 70% level, very easy. But remaining 30%, we need to work first 70%, then you will get remaining 30% knowledge. That is a dependencies. Anyway, it is destroyed, right? So we don't have time to go with the Groovy script anyway. Just stick on that for today. Tomorrow I will explain Groovy script, how to write it. Okay, so and here, come to here, guys. There is one option. Dashboard. Configure. See, guys. The project is parameterized. Add parameter, choice parameter. I'm just giving here some parameter. The choice is action. You can give any name. The choice is action from my end. So I'm giving here approve, destroy. Approve, destroy. I have given 2 things here. So all required choice done, right? Sorry, guys, apply. Apply, destroy. 2 choices I have given in my parameter. Where it is, this project parameter is once you go into your job, apply and save. Now come to your configure of your job. So instead of destroy and upload here, how to call here? Will it call directly like this? So we need to call like this way. Okay. So here, if for example, apply save. Now build time, see build with parameters is enabled automatically. Okay, build with parameter means you just click here. You have to give here. Okay, wrongly given. It has to show apply or destroy so that you can build. But let's come here. My Jenkins configurations, configure and all. Yeah, I have correct only, right? Put in quotes now. Let me check my. Okay. This is Jenkins file. Let's go to my Terraform. Yeah, correct only, right? Action. Correct only I have given, right? Hmm. What happened? This is it. Before not there, right? Okay, I think. Okay, let me check with again. Maybe in the, okay, I need to give comma in that. Okay, go to configure. So here, I think we need to give apply and destroy. Let's see here. No, it is calling both, right? Okay, okay. Let's go to, okay, maybe we have to write configure. It is taking like this way. Yeah, yeah. Where is this? Yeah, destroy. Okay. Build with parameter. Okay. Apply or destroy. So now if you can give apply means it will apply. It will destroy means it will destroy. At this time, there is no earlier have deleted destroyed, right? Now I'm going to apply. So understand? Now if you want to destroy, just build with parameters, you can destroy it after complete the apply. Let's go to verify your logs. So your GitHub cloned in not in home directory. Understand? Jenkins home directory. Jenkins where lib Jenkins workspace. So now whatever project you are going to, as I discussed, right, cover at least 80% topics, do it one project, right? That you can trigger with Jenkins. What about default action? Default action means what? Regarding where? Default action means what? Where? Let me complete this one. Completed. Job completed. So go to first pipeline and configure. Go to configure. Where is your doubt? Here, if you not pass anything, that it will take from their own script from. If you have to give apply or destroy, you have to do it. That's it all. Guys, focus here once. If you want to add any plugins in your end, just go to plugins. Okay. Available plugins, give Terraform. Okay. It will download. So whatever freestyle job is there, right? If you want to run freestyle job, we have to give Terraform space and all there. It will, whenever plugin is installed, the Terraform related commands will enable there. You just select apply and all in the freestyle job. I will show you tomorrow. Don't worry. So you can just click here and install. Come here, go back to the top page. No need to restart the Jenkins. Okay. If you restart means again IP will maybe change. Okay. IP will not change. Again, you need to log in. Okay. So Terraform installation done. If you want to check again, go to manage Jenkins. Go to plugins. This time install plugins. You have installed right already. Terraform is there. Clear? Yeah. That's all for today. So we can discuss tomorrow. I mean Monday, Groovy script with the same Jenkins pipeline. Same process, guys. Next, if you are going with the Docker, what is the Docker commands? We need to run the pipeline like that only. Yeah, we have to choose. Is this clear, everyone? Online team? Clear, everyone? No class tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, guys. See you. Happy weekend to all. Okay. I will share the notes and blog also. Give me just 1 hour time. Bye. Yeah, I will share it. I will share it.